Moving now to your 10 weather impact forecast. We've got meteorologist Mike Joyce here. Mike, for anyone just joining us this morning, it's been quite a rainy last 24 hours, and we know we've got more today. Tell us more about the flood warnings, flood watches that we've got going on, and what can we expect in terms of road safety?
That is right. We are still experiencing some rain across central Ohio, but the rain we have right now is not that steady rain that we had yesterday. But let's zoom into some spots where we're currently having some more rain. Very light rain across the near west side of Columbus and Franklin County. So if you're in Franklinton or the Hilltop, maybe north of Grove City, you're seeing some light rain. Even upper Arlington stretching up toward Worthington and Westerville. Very light rain there. I'm not too concerned about it, although the National Weather Service does have a flood advisory for the Olentangy River in Worthington due to the high water there. But I am expecting that to improve a little bit once we get this break in the rain going through the next couple of hours. But we do have some moderate rain stretching from Marysville to Marion, Bucyrus, and Mansfield. This will continue for the next half hour to hour or so. And as we zoom out, we're not done with the moisture yet, but the bulk of that steady rain that we had yesterday is already out of here. That's where it's raining across almost the entire state of Pennsylvania right now, even stretching into New York. Here's the low. It's to our south in Kentucky, so it is still going to bring a few showers our way, but the bulk of the rain has already fallen. We've had about 1.5 inches in Columbus, 2 inches in Newark, Dublin about 1.75 inches, Mansfield about 1 inch, Marion about 1.5 inches, Marysville 2 inches, and we've had many spots well over 1 inch of rain so far. We have one flood warning in effect until about noon today. That's for the Raccoon Creek in Granville out in Licking County, but thankfully all other flood warnings have been canceled. And I'm not seeing a lot of ponding on roadways this morning, so that's some good news. Here's a live look out at Heath in Newark, and sunrise is just about 20 minutes away. It's going to be a cloudy sunrise, though, but that's keeping temperatures very mild. We have temperatures in the low to mid 60s to start off the day, which is more than 10 degrees warmer than we were at this point yesterday. So it's a warm start to our Saturday and a very typical Memorial Day weekend temperature profile. Although we do see a couple lightning bolts on our 12-hour breakdown here with a high of about 76 in the afternoon. The threat for thunder is going to be relatively isolated today. So we'll get this batch of rain out this morning, some showers in our eastern zones, but we'll even see some sunshine in Columbus and Point West this afternoon. That's really going to help dry us out a little bit. At that point, we could have a couple spots where a shower or thunderstorm pops up, but it's not going to be very widespread, and our chance for severe weather is very low today, although we could have a gust of wind in any storms that do pop up. Same for tomorrow, a very isolated chance for some showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon with a high of 80, and again on Monday, 1 or 2 showers, but we're mostly dry. So Monday's our best day of Memorial Day weekend. After that, we stay low 80s and a chance of a shower or two every day, but no washouts.